Just arrived here at Tameron Gulf Coast. We have this 2021 GMC Canyon Elevation Edition pickup. On the outside, we have fully automatic headlights, power and heated door mirrors, and HD rear vision camera system. Inside, you'll find comfortable seating for 5, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and automatic temperature control. The 8-inch LCD touchscreen display has Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto to keep you connected. This one-owner 2021 GMC Canyon has less than 18,000 miles, and it comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641 or visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information.